Hi students, good evening all of you. Today I am going to give very important questions for our exam, chemistry exam. Let's start with first 8 marks gunshot questions. The first one is from atomic structure. What are the postulates of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom? Discuss the importance of this model to explain various series of line spectra in hydrogen atom. Very important. And the next one is, what are quantum numbers? Explain the significance of the 4 quantum numbers associated with an electron. So these are the two questions which are very important from atomic structure. Next questions are from classification of elements. Write an essay on S, P, D and F block elements. Next one is, what is periodic property? How does the following properties vary in a group and a period? Explain it. Atomic radius, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, metallic and non-metallic nature. The third important from classification of element. Define IE1 and IE2. Why is IE2 greater than IE1 for a given atom? So these are the 3 questions from classification of elements. The next move on. Describe any 2 methods of preparation of benzene. Explain halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration, sulfonation. So this is from organic chemistry. Let's see one more question from organic chemistry. Give 2 methods of preparation of acetylene. How does it react with water and ozone? So these 2 are from organic chemistry. So definitely we can expect 2 or 3 questions from these important questions. Next, let us see important questions from chemical 4 marks questions from chemical bonding. Explain the structure of PCl5 molecule with hybridization. Its hybridization is sp3d. Next, explain Poisson's rule with suitable examples. Next one is, explain sp3d2 hybridization with an example. Write an important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Next one is from states of matter. Explain Dalton's law of partial pressure. State and explain Gram's law of diffusion. Deduce Boyle's law, Charles' law from kinetic gas equation. So from stoichiometry, these are the 3 questions we can expect. MnO4 minus 1 plus SO2 gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus HSO4 minus in acidic medium. So here we need to balance the redox reaction by ion electron method. MnO4 minus 1 plus C2O4 2 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus CO2 in acidic medium. Next 10th question. Fe plus 2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Fe plus 3 plus Cr plus 3 in acidic medium. Next, from stoichiometry only, it is based on molecular formula finding or empirical formula finding. A carbon compound containing 12.8% of carbon, 2.1% of hydrogen, 85.1% bromine. The molecular weight of compound is 187.9%. Calculate the molecular formulae. Next one is a compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon and 71.6% chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96 grams. What are its empirical formula and molecular formulae? Next one is from thermodynamics. Explain and state Hess law of constant heat summation. Give the mathematical formulation of first law of thermodynamics. Next one. Explain second law of thermodynamics. You can also read third law of thermodynamics. Third law of thermodynamics. Next one. State Le-Chatelier principle and apply the same to the following equilibrium reaction. Haber's process. N2 plus 3H2 is in equilibrium with 2NH3. Enthalpy is equals to minus 92 kilojoule per mole. So next one is explain Lewis acid-base theory with an example. Next, explain Bronsted-Lowry acid-base theory with one example. State and explain salt hydrolysis. Explain the term hard water and soft water. Write a note on Kalgan's method. Explain the following with suitable example. Electron deficient hydride, electron precise hydride, electron rich hydride. Write a few lines on the utility of hydrogen as a fuel. Next one is from organic chemistry. Explain a positional isomerism and functional isomerism. Then, next question. Write the products of the following reaction. CaC2 is on reacting with water, gives A. On further reaction with hot copper tube, gives B. On further reaction with nitrate mixture, gives C. Write the methods of preparation of ethylene. Give the equation. Next, define coordinate covalent bond with an example. Explain hydrogen bonding and explain two different types of hydrogen bonding. Next one. Explain the difference between diamond and graphite. What do you understand by allotropy, inert pair, catenation? So these are very important questions from hydrogen and its compounds. If you see for 4 marks, these are expected questions. Thank you. All the best for exam.